So what natural dyes did you look at? Well, one was turmeric. The color's green is a really strong yellow. It's generally used in dishes like curry. It's meant to be quite good for your health when eating. But you might find it's not permanent when it's used as a dye. A few washes and it's gone. Right, I used beetroot as a dye for wound. When I chop up beetroot to eat, I always end up with bright red hands, but the wound ended up just a sort of watery cream seed. Disappointing. There's a natural dye called Tyrian purple. Have you heard of that? Yes, it comes from a shellfish, and it was worn in ancient times, but only by important people as it was so rare. I didn't use it. It fell out of use centuries ago, though one researcher managed to get hold of some recently, but I say the purple can be reduced by chemical dyes nowadays. Did you use any black dyes? Lockwood. That was quite complicated. I had to repair the fabric so the dye would take. I hope you were careful to wear clothes. Yes, I know the danger with that dye. Good, it can be extremely dangerous if it's interested. Now presumably you had a look at an insect-based dye, like cochineal, for example? Yes, I didn't actually make that. I didn't have time to start dressing up insects to get the red color, and anyway they are not available here, but I managed to get the dye quite easily from a website, but it cost a fortune. It can see why it's generally just used in cooking and in small quantities. Yes, it's very effective, but that's precisely why it's not used as a dye. I also read about using metal oxide. Apparently you can allow iron to rust while it's in contact with the fabric, and that colors it. Yes, that works well for dyeing cotton, but you have to be careful as the metal can actually affect the fabric, and so you can't expect to get a lot of wear out of fabrics treated in this way. And the colors are quite subtle. Not everyone likes them anyway. It looks as if you done a lot of work.